5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please be acquainted with scientific production company Nitro Sibir. What are the main principles of Nitro Sibir company, which may be considered as guidelines in its activity? First of all, it is provision of maximum industrial safety in production, with high level of competitiveness. In order to correspond to these principles, we pay much attention to the improvement of Nitro Sibir company's structure, which allows to manage in a systematic way its scientific production potential and all the group of production enterprises. Let us speak this in detail. Technical department is responsible for development and improvement of technologies and equipment. It includes project, technological, scientific sections and design office. Due to their mutual activity, technology of production and application of emulsion explosives has been developed. The range of emulsion explosives under the brand name Sibirits has been developed by Nitro Sibir company. They are intended for application in different mining and geological conditions. These are bulk emulsion explosives called Sibirit 1000 and Sibirit 1200. Blended bulk emulsion explosives called Sibirit 2500 RZ, Sibirit SM 2500 and Sibirit SM 5000. Cartridged emulsion explosives Sibirit P, Sibirit 2500 PSM. Production technology of Sibirit's emulsion explosives includes two main stages. The first stage is production of emulsion itself, or as it is usually called, emulsion matrix. The second one is sensitization of matrix for converting it into bulk or cartridge explosive. Production of emulsion matrix of Sibirits is carried out at the regional plants situated not far from big mining enterprises. Technological process of matrix production includes preparation of solutions of components and their subsequent emulsification. Possibility to control product blasting properties is achieved due to proper selection of the necessary equipment and technological conditions of production process. For production and charging of Sibirits emulsion explosives into boreholes, Nitro Sibir company has developed special mobile equipment for mixing and charging and special motor transport for transportation of different capacity and purpose. Special balance system is installed at this mixing equipment, which allows carrying out precise control of loading and application of an explosive when charging. Controlled charging has been facilitated by computerization of this process. In design of this equipment, some technical ideas created with participation of Safety Committee of Russia were put into practice. They aimed to increase safety when transporting emulsion matrix, especially on commonly used roads and highways. No walkout diaphragm at the upper hatch, which opens when pressure inside the emulsion tank exceeds its limit. Fuse hatch in the lower part of emulsion tank, which opens when under fire. Independent firefighting system. Production of Sibirits explosives is carried out in quarrying right aside during the process of charging boreholes. It is right at the borehole the explosive is being created from emulsion and with regulated time delay. So, technology of explosive production completely excludes any possibility of stealing explosives and improves industrial safety and anti-terror stability of the company. Depending on its application conditions, one or another Sibirit type is used. Sibirit 1000, Sibirit 1200 are applied for charging of highly flooded boreholes, when emulsion is pumped through the hose right in the borehole under the water column. Sibirits of SM are applied for charging moderately flooded boreholes, when emulsion is charged through upper part of the borehole with the help of feeding screw. Sibirit 2500 AZ is applied in dry or dried boreholes. Its efficiency results from application of the principle of linear initiation of the charge. Within the framework of applying the strategy of development of Nitrosibir Company, the technical department is carrying out advanced scientific research, engineering, and experimental developments for creation of new modern receipts of industrial explosives, technologies of its production and application. In solution of the said tasks, Nitrosibir Company cooperates with well-known international and Russian companies such as Nej, Parker, Danfoss, Evhimprom, Kemerow-Mash, different enterprises of military-industrial complex, scientific research institutes of the Academy of Sciences of the Russian Federation, and institutions of higher education. A very important aspect in company's activity is building up of a system of accumulation and protection of the object of intellectual property. Financial Commercial Department is just responsible for development of such system, in which the commercial value of the object of intellectual property is taken into account and evaluated. The rights to its application are handed over on the basis of the license agreement. Agreements provide protection of the rights of intellectual property from its illegal distribution, and what concerns technologies from distortion and discreditation. The Economy Department should develop the proper schemes of investment, implement and manage new projects. The Economy Department is responsible for capital investment evaluation and its rate of return, business planning and analysis of production processes, search of managerial solutions to reduce charges, increase productive capacity and product competitiveness. Development strategy of Nitrosibir Company and its enterprises is governed by Production Department. Starting from 1994, Naren Grinsky, one of the biggest coal open-cast collieries in Russia, became the first enterprise to use the technology of Nitrosibir Company. Nitrosibir Company is preparing offers concerning renovation of technical and organizational decisions at this enterprise. Nitrosibir company was one among the first to build up specialized enterprises. Another original development of Nitrosibir company, which is successfully used now, is a mixing and charging machine MCZ-15 for production and charging the boreholes with blended emulsion explosives of different types. Sibirit 2500 RZ, a charge of coaxial form, and Sibirit SM as a blend of emulsion with granulated phase in different proportions. In 2001, Enterprise Krusibirit was built up as a joint venture with Kuzbass Razrezugol. The plant of Krusibirit Enterprise is situated in central Kuzbass region in the town of Belovo. It is the main supply of emulsion explosives to more than 20 coal open-cast collieries. The main part of industrial consumers of Krusibirit Enterprise is played as far as several hundred kilometers from manufacture. Regular deliveries of Krusibirit products to industrial consumers are maintained due to provision of special motor transport, mixing and charging machines of new types. In December of 2002, production of Sibirits in the city of Kostomuksha in Karelia Republic was started. Application of the products is carried out by the specialized enterprise Sibirit 3. At this enterprise, within a short period of time, an amount of experience of positive application of Sibirits at iron ore deposits is accumulated. For control of production technology, applications of Sibirits, repair and modernization of technological equipment and charging machine, carrying out tests of new specimens of this equipment, carrying out control of explosion works technology in some most important cases. Provision of subsidiaries with special motor transport and charging equipment gave possibility to start explosion works with application of Sibirits in mining enterprises situated as far as 1,200 kilometers from manufacturing plant.
Evgeny
Ivanovich, Nitrosibir company is ranking high in the mining industry of Russia. What perspective strategic goals are set for your company? When increasing sales and expanding application of Sibirits in Russia, ZAO Nitrosibir has received a license for application in the states of European Union of charging equipment developed by our company. As this activity goes on, new strategic perspective goals appear for Nitrosibir company.